Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the freshest, smartest takes on beauty products to help your skin and your confidence shine. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on a cleanser that's been making waves lately, the BYOMA Creamy Jelly Cleanser. It's marketed as a hydrating facial cleanser designed for skin barrier repair, featuring a Tri-Ceramide complex and gentle ingredients meant for sensitive skin and all skin types. So, what's inside this 5.91-ounce cleanser that promises to restore moisture while removing makeup and excess oil without stripping your skin? Let's unpack it. BYOMA's Creamy Jelly Cleanser is formulated around a Tri-Ceramide complex, which is essentially a trio of ceramides, lipid molecules naturally found in the skin barrier. Ceramides are crucial because they lock in moisture and protect against environmental damage. This product aims to mimic and replenish those lipids, actively rebuilding the skin's protective layer. Alongside these ceramides, it also features antioxidant-packed licorice root and green tea extracts, known for their brightening and soothing properties. It's alcohol and fragrance-free, soap-free, non-comedogenic, and vegan, ticking a lot of boxes for sensitive and reactive skin types. In terms of texture, this cleanser starts as a jelly and transforms into a rich, creamy lather. The pH-balanced formula is designed to be lightweight yet effective, breaking down dirt, excess oil, and even makeup without that dreaded tight, dry feeling many cleansers leave behind. When I first tried it, incorporating BYOMA's jelly cleanser into my daily routine was refreshingly easy. The jelly to cream transition feels soothing on the skin, almost like a gentle massage. It rinses clean without any residue or irritation, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive skin or those prone to dryness. I tested it both morning and night, including days when I wore makeup, and it consistently removed impurities while keeping my skin hydrated and calm. That said, while the formula works well overall, I noticed it doesn't create a heavy foam like some traditional cleansers. Something to keep in mind if you prefer that deep cleansing foam sensation. Also, because it's focused on hydration and barrier repair, those with very oily skin looking for an ultra matte finish might find it less ideal. Here's what I liked. The texture is luxurious and gentle, the ingredient list is solidly science-driven, and it truly supports the skin barrier without compromising cleansing power. On the flip side, it might not satisfy fans of foamy, aggressive cleansers, and the price point is on the higher side compared to drugstore options. Speaking of price, BYOMA's cleanser sits in the mid to premium range. Given its targeted formulation with ceramides and antioxidants, plus being fragrance and alcohol-free, the cost feels justified for those prioritizing skin health and barrier support. However, if you're budget conscious but want similar hydration benefits, brands like CeraVe or Vanicream offer ceramide-rich cleansers at a more accessible price, though they may lack the antioxidant boost that BYOMA includes. Packaging is practical, a squeezable, translucent tube that dispenses the jelly easily without waste. The overall build quality feels premium without being over the top. I appreciate that it's dermatologist-tested and cruelty-free, which aligns with many consumers' growing ethical standards. While I didn't have any direct interaction with BYOMA's customer service, their reputation for transparency and science-backed formulations gives me confidence in their commitment to quality and user satisfaction. So, what's the bottom line? BYOMA's Creamy Jelly Cleanser stands out as an excellent choice for anyone dealing with sensitive or compromised skin barriers, or for those simply wanting a gentle yet effective cleanser that hydrates while cleansing. It's especially suited for people who want to avoid harsh stripping and fragrance irritation. On the other hand, if you prefer a foamy cleanser or need heavy-duty oil control, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried BYOMA's Creamy Jelly Cleanser, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing your thoughts. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.